The Lazy Mist by Robert Burns, written to a melody called The Lazy Mist, from James Oswald's Caledonian Pocket Companion. He uses the title of the song as it's a metaphor for what he called the Blue Devils. This was written in November of 1788. The lazy mist hangs from the brow of the hill, concealing the course of the dark winding rill. How languid the scenes late so sprightly appear, as autumn to winter resigns the pale year. The forests are leafless, the meadows are brown, and all the gay foppery of summer is flown. Apart let me wander, apart let me muse, how quick time is flying, how keen fate pursues. How long have I lived, but how much lived in vain? How little of life's scanty span may remain? What aspects old time in his progress has worn? What ties cruel fate in my bosom has torn? How foolish or worse, still our summit is gained, and downward how weakened, how darkened, how pained. Life is not worth having with all it can give, for something beyond it poor man sure must live. The Blue Devils, what we call the blues. I hope you'll subscribe to my channel. Be well. I hope you're not in that state of mind, but it's good to have a beautiful evocation of same.